me share with you the process we go through to close a client. You've seen my adverts, and this is what happens. So when we run this advert brings very many people who are inquiring about our services, especially marketing and designing websites. So if a client comes to our inbox, the first step is we need to evaluate and understand them, which is something that you're supposed to be doing as well. If you have clients who come via WhatsApp, via online, one thing you should do is to put a mechanism that will filter this traffic that is coming. Now for us, in some instances, we receive like over 100 clients, 100 people coming to us asking us about our services. Now you realize that out of those 100 people, the biggest percentage are people who are just inquiring, are people who are not really serious. So how do you know that? You know that by attending to them, by responding to them, and just filter them. Then out of these people, you also realize that there are people who need the service but they do not have money. So what do? Make sure you give them all the information they need, because they will mature when they reach at a time of when they get money. It's going to do what? They are going to it's going to be cool, like they will come and give you business. Then when you go down, out of these 100 people, you'll also find people who are so hungry and they need your service. So one key that you should you should know, one key you should master is to master the art of filtering the traffic that comes to you. Then out of this traffic, you may land on someone who is really having much pain, and you can solve their problem. So those are the people we give much of our time. So recently there is a client whom I met, and they're in real estate. They are in buying land, selling land titles, and what. They had a list of like 12 services, and they are pushing all those 12 services. Is it wise from a marketing perspective to focus on many services? I advised them and told them, no, it's not the best decision to focus on everything, because it will be hard, and also the market will not understand what you do. They'll be like, you become a jack of all trades. And guess what? Someone said that if you chase 2 rabbits, you end up catching none. So what are you supposed to do? Find one subject that you'll focus on the most, and you can add a subset of it, and probably a subset of it. But you should be known for one thing. That is when you're starting, when you're still small. Guess what? Amazon started with selling books. They started by selling books online. One item. And guess what? When they got clients, slowly by slowly, when they got clients, now they started adding in other things, electronics. Right now as we talk, it's the biggest online market in the whole world. That's the concept that you're also supposed to use when it comes to doing business online. Do not focus on everything. The idea of focusing on everything when marketing online is not a wise idea. The good news is, if someone sees you in this field, it's very possible that they will know that you could have knowledge in another subset of the same industry. Like for me, I focus on digital marketing. But then under that, we have websites. And websites is under still digital marketing. Now, nowadays as we talk, we are zeroing down on video marketing, where we use videos, we create videos to help businesses to get customers. We've done it for some businesses. We've helped some businesses to make it so big. And as I talk now, we're actually going to shoot an advert. The more you zero down to a specific service, to a specific niche, you have a chance of closing as many clients as possible.